Hello students, as you are observing on board, it is written over there algebraic expressions and their formation. In this video, we are going to discuss about expressions by using algebra. In arithmetic, we already discussed this type of terms now. This type of thing 2 into 3 or 4 minus 10, 10 minus 2 likewise. So all these type of expressions are known as your number expressions. These are your number expressions, or you can say expressions with number only. And as a result, for solving these two means while we are doing the operations given in the mid, we have some output, some result. For example, we can write down 2 into 3 equals to 6. This one. So this part is your expression. These parts is your expressions, and though they contain only numbers, they are known as your number expressions. What happens if we use variables? Variables are also known as literals in algebra. Variables means literals. So this is your algebraic, this is type of your number expression. If we use variables, so such type of expressions are known as algebraic expressions or expressions with variables, literal expressions, all these things. For example, if I said that 4 is added to a variable y, clear? 4 is added to y. How we write mathematically? We are going to add 4 means what? But y, this is y. I wantedly choose these two things, 4 and y, because some people are writing 4 or y in the same pattern, same way. So avoid such type. Your y and your 4 must be distinguished. No one, your writing not create confusion about y and 4. So y, in this case we always use variables. So y plus, and variables must be a small English alphabet, so you can easily understand which one is y, which one is 4. So 4 is added to y, we can write this expression likewise, y plus 4. So this is your algebraic expression or literal expression, expressions with variables, expression with literals. If sound is echoing, please avoid that one. If it says that 5 times x, so how we write 5 times means what? 5 multiplied by x. Now again, why I use the word times x or multiply x? Some of you are habitual of writing x likewise. This is not a small x, or some are writing, but in algebra try to avoid writing x in such a manner. You use x likewise. Now x, not again, not need not to write x likewise. This is n, this one is n, this is x. So use this type of writing for writing x. Clear? So how we write 5 into x? You can clearly distinguish between x and multiply sign. So these are known as your algebraic expressions. As you are observing on screen, there are two part. First, this one is this column, and on board this is column. All these all these are known as your expressions. All these are known as your expressions with variables. One by one, I am going to explain you what you read or what is the process in case of each expressions. So let's start. In this case, it is your x plus 4. X plus 4 means what? 4 is added to x. I am writing over here 4 is added to x. 4 is added to x or x is added to 4. Whatever you wish, you can write down. But be careful about minus sign. 7 is subtracted. Language must be clear. 7 is subtracted from P. Clear? 7 is subtracted from P. We are using the statement just opposite. 7 is subtracted from P. Or if we change the thing, if I say 7 minus P, then we must interchange the places. P is subtracted from 7 likewise. So hope you can easily understand. Now you know about, we discussed just now, 4 times P or 4 is multiplied with P. With P. Clear? Similarly here minus 7 is multiplied with A. I am not writing the statement because the same, simply minus 7 is multiplied with A. Here Z is divided by 5. Z is divided by 5. Hope these things are clear. Now these things are clear. Now need not confuse. All these things are clear to you. Now come to this part. This is a little bit more complex than previous one. In this case, what we have? 3x plus 5. In between number and variable, we have no sign is there. It means there is multiply sign. So 3 times of x is added or added with 5, or you can say 5 is added to 3 times of x. And there is no space, so I am going to at this side. Let me rub the board. Now, what is it? Over there, 5 is added to 3 times of x. Clear? 3 times of x. Then again, similarly, we can write down 1 is subtracted from, in this case we have word from 4 times of y. This one. Clear? 4 times of y. Hope this thing is clear to you. This one. See the statement. Y is divided by 4 and 1 is added. This one must be a statement, or another statement is 1 is added to 4 times of 4th part of y. But that statement is confusing one, so I am using the simple one. 1 is added to 4th part of y. This is a third one. 4th part of y. This is a this one creates more confusion, so you must use the simplest one. Y is divided by 4. Y is divided by 4. And 1 is added. This one. Similarly, 2 is divided by x. 2 is divided by x, and 1 is subtracted from the output. Hope you can easily understand about algebraic expressions. Now move to the next part of the topic. Now, for practicing those problems of algebraic expressions, questions may come that by using some operations, or some operations, write down the expressions for the numbers 7, 8, 9. Suppose 3 numbers given to you. Our question says that write down the expressions with different operations. So you can easily write down 7 minus 8 plus 9. We have to use all same thing. 7 minus 8 plus 9, 9 plus 7 minus 8. Likewise you can use 7 into 8 divided by 9. 7 plus 8 divided by 9. Likewise you can write down. Other questions may ask you, choose some expressions are given. Question asks you, find out the expressions with variables or find out the expressions with numbers only. So you can find out the expressions with the numbers only from the given list of the expressions. You can solve those questions by yourself. Move to the next part. Next part says that in other type of questions, it says that, as I discussed just few minutes before in video, it says that identify the operation and try to find out the result. Let me read the questions from a book. In this book, it says that identify the operation, whether it's addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or other, in forming the following expressions, and tell how the expression has been formed. So in this case, how you write? You have to first identify that which operations you are going to do in for given expressions. Clear? I think it's easier to you that which expressions is going to and how it's work. Let's start. How you write here? Which mode of operation is there? It's an addition now. Operation is addition. So how you write in your copy? So first write down the expression, then give heading operation equals to addition. No? Then statement, x is added to 7. Remember, this is not the correct statement. The correct one is 7 is added to x. 7 is added to x. This is the correct statement, because 7 is at second part. So 7 is added to x. Likewise, we have other one. It's 2x plus 17. It's a 2x plus 17. Which type of operation is there? Though multiply sign is hidden over there, you can easily write down operation is addition one. Operation is addition, because your addition sign is visible to us, but you can see there is a multiplication also there na, 2 into x, it is a multiplication. So you people must be careful about this type of expression. Here not only addition, also multiplication is there, so you must write down multiplication. Now statement 2 is multiplied with x and 17 is added to output. To result. 2 is multiplied with x and 17 is added to result. This statement may vary, but from your answer sheet, but statement must contain all the operations. So all of you try to solve question number 1 to 3 in your copy. Not only 1 to 3 in, yes, on 1 to 3 in your copy. Today's homework is exercise 9.3, 1 to 3 in your fair copy, and always remember that your copy may be checked by your teacher, so write down the proper solution in your maths fair copy. That's all for today. Thank you.